Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And in case you're just joining me here for the very first time, my name is DEES, your favorite bartender. So before we go any further, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so you get a notification when I drop a new video. Today I would be taking you along on what my life looks like as an event bartender here in Warri, Delta State. I have an event today. It's a weekday wedding. Today is Wednesday, the 10th of August. So it's 6:30 a.m. I'm about leaving my house to my warehouse. I want to go and meet up with my staffs. So we're going to prep, arrange things for today's event, wash the glasses and all of that. And I'll be leaving them to go meet up with my printer to pick up the print jobs for the day. That's the stickers for the bar and the glasswares. And from there, I'll be joining them up at the venue so we can, set up the bar, prep and do the whole final prepping before we go into the day's event. So come with me.
And it's a wrap, guys. We're tearing down and packing up to go home. Did you guys enjoy this video? Please don't forget to hit the like button if you did. Would you like to see more videos like this? Please let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't also forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you know when I drop a new video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.